Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video we're going to do a right side underarm pass. Right side underarm pass, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take it from one end to the other, all right? We're going to do closed and open position. Starting with the closed position, do a basic first. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good? All right, let's take it from this end. We're going to do a two-hand open position. All right, ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Good. So you can see how I'm just kind of going across, getting out of her way, and letting her pass. Now I'm going to come at the camera just a little bit and just kind of give you an idea real quickly so you can see I'm in the track with her, all right? So let's kind of give you that little tighter approach here. So we have 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So you can see how we're coming at you, so you can finish with the basic after that, but that's how I get out of the track, is getting out of her way. Cool? So go practice this. If you need more information on this, what do? You go to the private lesson style videos, yes? Go over this together or separate, doesn't matter. Rewind as much as you need to and then come on back, all right? Remember, this is a quick view for you, all right? Go practice.